WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Oh, the chief back here with us now. What a frightening night for some folks, too. We had that tornado warning in D.C.
Yeah, it was a crazy night. We talked about it being more coverage than yesterday, and it was. So I want to show you some video, and this is from James Hash, our photojournalist. So that's the park, okay, on Broad Branch Road, Ridge Road Northwest. That's 15 minutes condensed into 15 seconds. That creek rose 7 feet. Now, here's the other problem, okay? Wait for it. So the water's rushing. You have no idea how deep it is, and there comes a car.
Oh, no.
Yep.
You should know better.
And you just, you know.
Especially that area?
I mean, it could have been washed out. You don't know, so that's what not to do. That just gives you a great idea, though, of how fast. That's why they call them flash floods. Even going that way, that guy doesn't know the road's still there. There's a big tree stump on his right. Not good. Okay.